this up here is going to be nothing but hay storage above. And so I'm trying to decide on how I'm going to tie in this 6x6 post, you know, to support it in the middle, because it's going to be a pretty good load up above with all the hay. But I want to also have access on the bottom so the goats can go in there and just chill out. So that's what I'm going to be solving now. There's a couple ways I can do it. I guess you can go right here and you could timber frame it in, or I can go on both sides and then sandwich that post in the middle and then put, you know, your angle braces. But I wanted to try to keep this this wall kind of clean right here, so when I put the siding on it, it'll look good. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I screwed up. Since I'm running floor joist hangers, I was not going to stack on top. I don't know what I was thinking. So I needed to sandwich these together so that I can put the floor joist brackets on the inside and run them over there so that I won't lose any head space. So I had to remove it from the other side, put it on this side, and so I can put the floor joist brackets on this side. Anyways, there we go. Okay, I'm fixing to hang my floor joist brackets. They're going to be 16 on center. Get her done. Something like that. Okay, I got stopped for the day. My batteries went dead on my drill. I went through 2 of them. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.